Babe, I know I messed up a lot, but you can't just leave me right now. Me and you were doing just fine until you let the enemies come between us. Babe, I know I messed up a lot, but you can't just leave me right now. Me and you were doing just fine until you let the enemies come between us. Let's sit and talk this before you take your decision.
Purchase your
Remember
tracks
good times is a younger. Zitali so babini sitanana. Wauntana na Nabenitana nami Izmisaluthatana Bikwenzu mama webandwana bami Bengwinda koba petele Kalmanen buswangu wetangwami Tutala apologize nje Asweze nyekinzaba zamzali ngati Tryna get between us, my love for you is too much. Look, I don't care about the other ones, I know you the one. I wanna get straight to the point, I need the ruler. I took her from the urban place all the way to rural. See all you bitches and snitches wanna see me as a loser. Fuck all you fake friends, I know you busy hating us. Where is your family? Nzokwanzu kwenzi kaya labandu ababini. In legacy, I'm tryna build a future for this family. I'm raised a king, so I need a queen that will guide me. Forgive me, all I want is you my magic. I'll need you by my side. Bikwenzu mama webandwana bami. Babe, I know I messed up a lot, but you can't just leave me right now. Me and you were doing just fine until you let the enemies come between us. Babe, I know I messed up a lot, but you can't just leave me right now. Me and you were doing just fine until you let the enemies come between us. It's okay, yeah, it's cool, get whatever you say. You're not telling me that don't go away. I said I can't get, I must go home. She said I forgive you, babe. So please don't leave me, babe. I'll need you by my side. Fuck me all the night. But only if you promise me. I'm gonna keep and give this 3P. I said I promise. I'm gonna keep and this 3P. Babe, I know I messed up a lot, but you can't just leave me right now.
Purchase your
Me and you were
tracks
doing just fine until you let the enemies come between us. Babe, I know I messed up a lot, but you can't just leave me right now. Me and you were doing just fine until you let the enemies come between us.